If you watched the last episode, you'll know that, well, things didn't go too well for my 1993 Ford Festiva, and the radiator just absolutely annihilated itself. Well, tomorrow, we're doing another video with the Festiva, so I have to get it running again. Ugh. Suppose I should mention it's only been like a week. Spent all my time waiting on this new radiator to show up. Let's see. It's so cute. Looks easy enough though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. 1 hose clamp, 2 hose clamps, and off it comes. Well, let's go get some tools then. Annoyingly, the bottom radiator hose comes out, well, the bottom, just straight down from the bottom end tank. So that's kind of fun to get to, but other than that, this is fairly typical. I'm kind of annoyed that the fan has bolts on both the top and bottom instead of just slotting in so that you can pretty much do the whole job from the top, but hey, whatever, we can get her done. All right, in my sleeve. Oh, that's all that was left apparently. Okay. Yay, it's a radiator. Look at that. That is absolutely destroyed. What's weird is that plastic doesn't look, usually they brown as they age. You can tell when a tank is reaching end of life because it's, all brittle and brown and cracked looking, but nope, it just let go. What an adorable tiny little guy. So let's get the new one out. Now, I'm no expert, but I don't think air's going to flow through that bubble wrap very well. Slight complication here with the new one, in that one of the bolt holes doesn't really line up, and this one, it's kind of the wrong offset, but hey, we'll make it work. As you can see, this one was for auto trans or manual trans, so it's got the little trans cooler exchanger thing built in, which has its own drain port, which is kind of cute. 3 out of 4 is, well, 2.5 out of 4 is good enough for this thing. So we'll see if we can throw it back in here, and I'm really hoping that those studs actually line up. Oh, my mount came out. There we go. Yeah, that should be fine. Can get a look here at the clutch fork and some of the exhaust. Ooh, man, look at that barb. I'm gonna hit that with some emery cloth or something. What's it called? Scotch-Brite. That's it. Hit that with some Scotch-Brite, because that looks absolutely terrible. And I'd rather that doesn't leak. Okay, apparently the capacity is exactly this. Will the rest fit? It's right to there. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, cool. Let's fire it up. Amazing. No more mud in the brakes. Time to see if the brakes work and if the car overheats or not. Okay, that's a stop sign. How brave am I feeling? Yeah, I mean, it comes to a stop. I wasn't standing on it, but... Second gear synchros, where are you at? Okay, I'll try and panic stop and see what it does. Not a lot. That's on the floor, by the way. In second, but... Oh, actually, I need to adjust the drums. That's how you adjust drums. On most cars. I actually don't know if that works on this, but it's fun anyway. Brake pedal feels different, so that worked. What's funny is this is the only car I've owned where the auto adjusters actually work properly. What a menace to society. Brakes definitely feel better though, and we are not overheating. So I think that's a success. Oh, got a rev match. Tough concept. Works for me. Thanks for watching.